Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can cut out objects from shapes in Adobe Illustrator in 2026. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to your artboard guys and insert the first shape. Here let me go for rectangle and let us cut out, let's say for instance a star shape or icon from that rectangle. So what you want to do is navigate to the shapes tool here to the left, and what you want to do is right click into the rectangle tool, select star tool, and after that draw your star somewhere here. Let me stabilize it by pressing and holding left shift, and let me make it smaller than that, slightly smaller than the rectangle. Next, move the given object, in this case here that star icon, just above your first object. So switch to the select tool in the top left and click into the star icon and move it on your rectangle. Now we don't see anything because the star icon is black as well. So let me change the fill color. So what you want to do next guys is navigate to the layers tool here at the top and select the star tool and make sure that it is placed above the rectangle in the background. So if it's in the background, it may be because the star layer here, or the layer for the given icon, is below the first one. So move it at the top or just above the rectangle. Next, press and hold left shift on your keyboard and left click into the next layer below. Now both are selected, as you can see. What you want to do next is navigate to Window here at the top, and here click into Pathfinder, or use the shortcut Shift Control F9 or Shift Command F9 if you're using a Mac. And from that Pathfinder, what you want to do is use the minus front or exclude one of these. So I will go with minus front, and as you can see now the star icon has been cut out of that rectangle in the background, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.